Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your text pop with a cool 3D perspective twist in Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for this tutorial. Once the canvas loads, add a text box. Click to type any text you want or anything you like for your design. Type hardware in the search bar. Next, navigate to the App section in the menu. Scroll through the available options and look for the Transform Image tool. Select it to proceed with your task. Search for the Transform Image application. When you find it, click to open the app. Next, you'll be prompted to select a file from your computer to begin the process. Choose the image file you want to transform so you can continue with the next steps in the application. First, change the font by selecting the text and choosing your preferred font style. Next, enlarge the text using the size options and align it to the center for better positioning. Click the Share button at the top, then select Download. Make sure to choose PNG format, and you can also further adjust the size before saving your text. Choose your preferred quality, then click Download. If you want a transparent background, select that option before downloading. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's complete, save the file to your computer. Next, we'll remove the text. Click to select the text on your canvas, then press Delete or Backspace to discard it from your project. Press Delete on your keyboard, then drag and drop your new text image onto the design to replace the old. Select the image first before using the Transform Image app. Then, click the File menu to continue. Type the name of your downloaded text file into the search bar. The matching file will appear. Select it to proceed with your next step. Type hardware as your text, then select the PNG file and click Open. Your text image now appears in the preview window. You can click and drag to adjust the position or angle. Change the perspective by dragging any of the corner handles until you achieve the desired look for your text image in the workspace. To make the text larger and easier to see, change its direction as needed. Click Add to place your new text for signing. Next, remove the original main text by selecting and deleting it. Now, you can add and position your updated text within the designated area. You can also change the text direction and add another design element. Here, we have two separate pieces of hardware text, each shown from a different direction, giving you multiple perspectives and more flexibility when customizing your project's overall appearance and layout. You can save your work at this point, or add another element to complement your text. For example, add a wall element or a background shape for the text to sit on. Select the desired element from the toolbar, then position it behind your text. This enhances the design and makes your message stand out. Select the text you want to use, then look for the wall section. If the text doesn't fit there, use the toolbar at the top to generate a new element. This lets you create content that fits and can be used where you need it. Estimate the angle by selecting the appropriate tool. Click the Active Design button to proceed. Here, you'll see your text displayed on the workspace. If the text appears too large, adjust the font size to make it smaller so it fits neatly within the designated area. Now, the text is properly scaled and fits within your workspace, allowing you to move on to the next step in your project. To add this texture to the wall design, first select the wall. Then, click on the texture panel and choose your desired texture. To modify the text color, go to the Filter section. Search for text color options and select a new color from the available choices. The change will apply instantly. Delete the previous text perspective by selecting it and pressing the Delete key. Next, to merge your text, select the text layers you want to combine. Right-click and choose Merge or use the shortcut provided in your software. This will combine your selected text layers into one, simplifying your workspace and streamlining your editing process. Move the element using your mouse or keyboard arrow keys. Once you've positioned it where you want, hold Shift and select both elements. Then, right-click and choose Group to combine them into a single grouped object. Move the design, click the Share button, select Download, and then click Download again to save your design to your computer. You just learned how to create a cool perspective text effect in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more design tricks.